Hi guys, this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about can an average student clear CLAT? If yes, then how? Now, I'm sure today's topic is something that a lot of us wonder about. I am not a class topper. I have not won any medals. Am I really going to clear the CLAT examination? So, can an average student really clear the CLAT exam? Yes. The answer is a bold yes. Definitely an average student can clear the CLAT exam, and today I shall discuss with you how. Now, you don't need to be a genius, a topper, or a brilliant reader in order to clear the CLAT examination. But what you do need is clarity, consistency, and the right strategy. First, let's define what is average. So, let's be honest. According to the society, a lot of us fall in the category of being average, including me. But guess what? That is completely okay. That will not stop you from clearing your CLAT examination. So, the first step to clear the CLAT examination is having a mindset that you can definitely clear the CLAT examination. Stop doubting yourself. Stop thinking that you will not be able to get AIR 1. You are made to do wonders in your life, and one of them can definitely be getting AIR 1 in the CLAT examination. Your mindset will fix a lot of things. When you study for your examination with the mindset that you can clear the examination and you will clear the examination, you are more focused and you are concentrated on bringing that result about. If you don't feel that way, you will be procrastinating and not studying as you should be studying. So, number one, make sure that you fix your mindset and believe in yourself that you can clear the CLAT examination. Now, secondly, the CLAT examination is not testing your brilliance. It is testing your skills that can always be built over time. So, reading comprehension, logical ability, pattern recognition, and decision making. If you work on these 4 things, you can definitely clear the CLAT examination. As we all know, CLAT is not a memory test. Of course, in the GK section, you would be required to memorize certain facts, but the whole question paper is logical based. If you pick up English, the answers are given in the passage itself. If you pick up logical reasoning, the answers are right there. Legal reasoning, again, you have to apply the facts to the reasoning mentioned in the passage. So, it is more of a skill-based examination. So, what do you need to focus upon? First, the ability to read a passage fast and understand it. Secondly, spotting logical reasoning, logical flaws, logical arguments in the passage. Third, analyzing situations like a real lawyer. You don't have to be emotional. You just have to apply the law to the given question and you will be coming to the right answer. And lastly, and very important, staying calm for the 2 hours of the examination. So, it really requires just practice and smart preparation. Now, coming to a step-by-step guide for an average student to clear the CLAT exam. So, the first thing that you should be doing is building a reading habit. So daily make sure that you dedicate at least 30 minutes to reading. Could be newspaper reading, editorials of the newspaper, editorials of certain legal articles, or legal blogs, reading The Hindu, The Indian Express. Make sure that you are reading something so that you work upon your reading skills. You also will be able to get better at current affairs and legal reasoning and English as much as you read. Secondly, focus on understanding the concept and not just mugging. Especially in legal reasoning, don't memorize the laws because the laws will be mentioned in the passage. Make sure that you're able to apply the laws mentioned to the given situations. So make sure you're practicing enough so that this skill set is also developed throughout your preparation. The more you practice, the more you will be able to get better at analyzing passages. Then you will also be able to answer the questions in the passages with respect to the information mentioned. And also you practice through the mock test. Next step is going to be mastering the art of mock analysis. So a lot of times students are not able to clear the CLAT examination because they were never analyzing their mocks properly. As much as it is important to sit for a mock, it is also important to analyze that mock. Unless you learn from your mistakes, how will you be not able to do those mistakes in the CLAT examination? So make sure you analyze your mocks. If you are looking for mock test, then you can check out the mock test from 12 minutes to CLAT. The description box has the link to the same. The mock test shall be delivered to your house so that you are able to practice. You can have a setup like the examination, sit for the mock test for those 2 hours, and then you can take 45 minutes to another 1.5 hours to analyze that particular mock test. So after you sit for a mock, ask yourself, what went wrong in a particular section? Which were the 2 sections you scored lowest in? Make sure you practice passage-based questions of those 2 sections daily. Was it time pressure? Was it concept clarity? So ask yourself what mistake you have made in the mock test so that you work on them and do not repeat them in the CLAT exam. Now, another step is choose smart sources. Make sure that you're not reading everything and anything under the sun. You need to have focused sources from where you are preparing for the CLAT examination. Now, you can prepare either with an institute or you can prepare on your own. There is no hard and fast rule. But in case you're looking for a guided preparation, we have just launched a new course called Uddeshya. So any of you can come and watch the demo classes and see for yourself if you wish to enroll in the course or not. This course will cover the whole syllabus of the CLAT examination. You will need not be going anywhere else to study for the CLAT exam. Everything would be provided to you. Concepts in the classes, passage-based question practice, mock test will be delivered to your house, books will be delivered to your house if you enroll in Uddeshya Plus batch. We also offer Shakuntala scholarship, which is if you get below AIR 300, all your money shall be returned back to you. For additional discount, you can use code KritiV, and I really hope to see you in the classes. And if you are preparing on your own, then again, make sure you're not reading from everywhere. Choose 1 or 2 sources at max for each subject and only stick to it. Revise the same concepts again and again, revise the same material again and again, revise current affairs from one place again and again, so that you answer the questions correctly in the mock and the CLAT examination. Now, lastly, stay consistent and not perfect. The CLAT examination is not here to see how perfect of a student you are. It is just checking, can you apply the given principles, given passage to the questions asked or not? Can you work under pressure? So make sure that your preparation is consistent. Today you study for 8 hours and then you don't study for the next 4 days. Don't do that. The next 5 years of your life are going to be decided by this preparation that you will do for the CLAT examination. So make sure every day you are studying something or the other. I've already made a video on this as to how to plan your preparation, how to plan for the CLAT examination, what should be your daily schedule. So any of you wish to check it out, you can watch that video as well. Because this is how you become a topper, by showing up daily and not just occasionally. So even if your marks in school were not great, it does not matter. What really truly matters is how consistent you are and how much are you willing to get better to prepare for the CLAT examination. Now, before I leave guys, I just want to share 5 quick rules with you. Number 1, do not waste your time overthinking whether you are smart enough or not. Number 2, pick a strategy and stick to it. Number 3, celebrate small wins. It is worth it. Oh, today I scored 6 out of 10 in math section. I was only scoring 2. Yay! And that is a win in itself. 4th, don't compare yourself with others. शर्मा जी के लड़के के 10th में इतने आए थे, 12th में इतने आए थे, मेरा CLAT नहीं निकलेगा, उसका ज़रूर हो जाएगा. He is worrying about himself. And if you also worry about him, then who is worrying about you? So make sure you are focusing on your preparation and not his. And lastly, always remember the why. Why are you doing this? To make yourself proud, to make your family proud. Always remember the why and stick to it. So thank you so much guys. Hope this session was helpful. If any of you have any doubt, you can comment below and I will get back to you. Take care, have a great day, have a great week, have a great year ahead. All the best guys.